Hello, welcome back to ESL Trail. In this video, let's learn how to use the word afford. A-F-F-O-R-D, afford. So, what does this mean? Now, this afford means be able to spend either money or time. So, if you can spend some money on something or on buying something or maybe if you can spend some time on doing something, you can say you can afford that particular thing. For example, you say if you have enough money to buy a car, you can say I can afford to buy a car. I can afford to buy a Mercedes Benz. I can afford to buy a Tesla car. Now, when I was doing business, I could afford everything I wanted. It means I could buy everything I wanted to buy. And now, we can also use this one when you talk about time. For example, if you want to spend some time on doing something, but you can't do that, you can say, I can't afford that much time on it. Or I can't afford to go on a vacation this year. Maybe this is about money or time. So I cannot afford to spend that much money on a vacation this year, or I cannot afford to spend that much time or spend that much time on vacation this year. Anything is okay. This is usually used with can't or couldn't. If you are talking about something that is in the present, you can say can't afford. I can't afford to buy that car. And if you are referring to something that happened in the past, you can say I couldn't afford that when I was a child. I couldn't afford to spend much time when I was doing my business. Like this. So I hope you have understood how to use afford in an effective way. So start using this in your daily conversations. I'll see you next time in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.